Hello to everybody, this is Melan's time now, and I think this fish is from river. I don't think so also, because here in Iraq there is no sea, all is river. Okay, that's what. I cannot eat all also this one, maybe half only. And this is from one order, from outside. So always with Coca-Cola. That is the food here in Iraq, in Iraqi people. The way they eat the fish, the samak. Samak in Iraqi words. I don't know this one in the Philippines. What's the name of this one? I forgot. This one parang ano to? Parang, ewan ko. Nakalimutan ko na. Palibhasa kasi hindi na ako sanay talaga doon sa isla namin. Sa home province ko. Sa home probinsya ko pala. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Ingat-ingat lahat. Bye!